Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make mid-length hair look good. First, let's cover the essentials for healthy hair. Washing your hair 2 to 3 times a week is ideal to keep its natural oils balanced. Always opt for a sulfate-free shampoo and conditioner to ensure gentle care. Regular trims, about every 6 to 8 weeks, are crucial for removing split ends and maintaining a polished look. These simple steps form the foundation for beautiful, manageable mid-length hair. Now, let's explore some easy styling techniques to enhance your mid-length hair. For effortless waves, use a 1-inch curling iron, holding each section for about 10 seconds. A chic half-up, half-down style is perfect for a quick, polished appearance, securing the top section with a small elastic. When blow-drying, lift your roots with a round brush to add impressive volume and bounce. These methods will help you achieve versatile and attractive styles with minimal effort. To truly make your mid-length hair shine, the right products are key. Always apply a heat protectant spray before using any hot tools. This shields your hair from damage. A light texturizing spray can add fantastic body and hold, giving your style a natural, lived-in feel. Finally, a small amount of anti-frizz serum, about a pea-sized drop, will provide a smooth, glossy finish and tame any flyaways. These products will elevate your hair game significantly. Maintaining the long-term health of your mid-length hair is just as important as styling. Protect your strands from harsh sun exposure by wearing a hat or using a UV protective spray, especially outdoors. Switching to a silk pillowcase can significantly reduce friction and prevent breakage while you sleep. Remember, a balanced diet, rich in essential vitamins and minerals, contributes immensely to strong, vibrant hair from the inside out. These habits ensure your hair stays beautiful for years.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.